The 3 makeup items that you can easily switch up to reflect a new season are 1, a new eyeshadow palette, 2, your cheek color, and 3, of course, your lip product. Now I'm just going to focus on the 3 prestige items I recently picked up from the Sephora sales event and from Ulta that I was extremely happy with. Now y'all know I love to buy drugstore affordable makeup if you've been watching a good bit of my content. All 3 of these products were over $24 each, but under $40. So we aren't going to go too crazy with the price point, but it's more than I usually spend if I buy something from, say, the Walmart beauty aisle. Okay, so the first category to switch it up for the season is going to be your eyeshadow. And boy, do I have a fabulous palette today. This is the Nabla Side by Side Nude Palette, and this is my very first product from the Nabla line. It's got all the yummy, warm, rich shades of burnt browns and golds and coppers and grays to create the most perfect of fall and winter eye makeup looks. It's got a mix of super matte eyeshadows and then some foil-like shimmery ones to add some festive vibes to your face. It's got a huge square mirror, which makes a difference for me because it's so convenient to be able to actually see your eyeballs in the huge mirror while you're creating your look. And I can't get over the pigments and just how wearable all of them are. You can have green eyes, blue eyes, hazel eyes, or brown eyes, and this palette is going to make them all look super gorgeous. I'm wearing at least 6 shades on my eye look right now from the palette, which contains 16 in total for $39. I believe I got this palette recommendation from watching an Allie Glines video here on YouTube, and she never steers me wrong with products, so thank you, Allie. Now the next category to switch it up for the season would be your cheek color. Luckily, the windblown look is very in vogue right now for 2022, which translates into wearing a ton of blush on your face to give you that baby it's cold outside look on your cheeks and nose. I picked up the Patrick Ta Double Take Cream and Powder Blush in shade She's That Girl, and it's like a very true soft pink shade for $34 because it literally gets like a 5-star rating on Sephora's site, so I figured I couldn't go wrong. And the reviews were right. It's gorgeous. And yes, you can pick either the cream or the powder, or you can go layer it up like I have on today and apply the powder first with a brush and then layer on the cream with your fingertips just on top. So you've got options. But the formula is exquisite, and I'll totally be buying another shade in this duo from his line for sure. Now lastly, and probably the easiest way to switch up your makeup bag for fall and winter is with a new lip color. And I actually just wrote a new blog post about this. Yes, can you believe it? I wrote an actual written word blog post about my love for lip oils. So I grabbed this Merit Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil in the shade Sangria from Sephora, and it was $24 because I've been dying to try the Merit line, and this color in particular stood out to me. So the reason why you should try a lip oil for fall is because they're typically more like a hydrating skincare treatment lip product that moisturizes and hydrates, but doesn't leave your lips super sticky like a traditional lip gloss would. You can still get the shine, but you also get the conditioning aspect. Now this Merit product in particular contains shea butter and rosehip oil, so it feels incredible. And the shade Sangria is kind of like a deep blackberry or Bordeaux wine sheer stain, which I'm here for and literally feels like the perfect fall lip in my opinion. It's not fussy or high maintenance at all. It's just so pretty. So there you have it, my friends, the 3 makeup products you could easily switch up to reflect the change in the weather and the season. And if you found this video helpful or inspirational at all when it comes to updating your makeup bag or products, I'd love for you to quickly hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot. And I'll leave links to all these products that I've talked about in the description box below, and link to my blog post if you're one of those people that still enjoys reading blogs and looking at still photos. Thanks for being here, y'all, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.